Hello friends, it's Artem. I want to show you update on Bitcoin and recent price action. Yesterday we talked about the possible support line here with the three touches, 1, 2, and 3. And today we see that the price is below this trend line, right? And here's what I think about it and a few thoughts about the possible move and few thoughts about what I'm going to do. So first of all, we had a few support lines, levels. We had 9100, currently priced on this level, and around 8500, 8600. So these levels still holding. These levels are still good. Why 8500 is so important for me and for price action? No, well, just because that is the point of new lower low. So you can see that if we're going to go below 8500, that means that we are in a bearish territory because of the lower low. That simple rule that it's working on markets. And until now, we still in the middle of the nowhere. We're still not really bullish, not really bearish. Um, this is the point number one. And the second point, which is also important, uh, maybe some of you already notice it, maybe not. Well, I noticed that fractals, they are working really well on Bitcoin. And some of fractals are succeed, some of them not. But most of the time, Bitcoin have like unique patterns which works on Bitcoin. And if you're going to see the pattern which occurred here again in April, we had pretty similar structure here. So what we got here, we got like a small pump, then like a V shape here, like W. It looks like W. You know, so you see this little W here, and currently the price is looking very similar. I mean, didn't complete the W, but it already completed these few steps. Let's check with some arrow. I don't know. Oh yeah, I know. Let's check with this arrow. So first step here. The next step we had here is similar, pretty similar price look. Um, then we bounce it down, and here bouncing down, and here we are making the similar W shape here. So here's that. So looking at this fractal, I think that there's pretty high chances that we are going to complete W pattern and see the rise of the price. So for me now, what I already did and what I can advise you to make with your bitcoins, with your long position if you have one, and of course with your short position if you have one. So first of all, for those who are longing and for those who are holding the Bitcoin, um, well, what I did recently, I reduced my position. I reduced my position from the points which I opened orders in these levels. So I reduced this position because, well, first of all, I took it a lot of profits from these positions. I mostly trade for midterm. I don't trade in short-term scalp moves. But what I did for my midterm positions is that I took the profits in the higher levels here. I took the profits here, and Right now, I partially reduced my position. I didn't close it all, but I reduced it. My stop loss is already, that it's lower low. So if price will go to the lower low, then I'm going to, cut the positions which I had from this stage. Okay, this is what I'm going to do with position. Um, if the price will continue to grow, if the position that would means that I'm wrong and I should increase the position. Okay, so if the price will confirm this W pattern and start to grow, then I will pick up the price in any dip that it will give. If it will give the dip on 9200, okay, I will buy here. If it will grow higher and give the higher dip like 9500, okay, I'm fine with that. I will buy in dip. Okay, so my idea is, first of all, I following Elliott wave setups. Yesterday I showed you that I think that we are here in 1, 2, 3, still developing 4, and we still need to go to the fifth level, line. Sorry, wave. So all of this means that we still have opportunity to growth. Okay, and until now, until the price in the like something like triangle or wedge, uh, we still need to be patient because triangles, especially these large triangles, they need a lot of time to complete them. You can say that it is triangle like this or something like that. So we need to make this um, D wave, then E wave. So if this is A, B, C, D, E, then we need to make the D and E wave before the growth. So personally, I still will try to maintain long position until the breakout from 8500. Okay, this is really important. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to say, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to put thumbs up below this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please join the conversation below the comments, and ask your questions, share your charts. I really like to know what you're thinking, and I really like to know something new. If you have different view, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.